It's Coach Dio back here at Mind and Body Fitness. I want to talk to you about another fault that you may have in your squat. A lot of people will come down and they will go here and then they will put pressure on their toes or lean forward when they squat. So it basically means that they can't get into their hips. So one easy cue is to space your legs out some more, and now I can drop down and sink deeper in my hips, because when my legs are spread, I make room for my hips to open. And when they're closed, it's more difficult for me to go down. And another thing is for you to elevate your feet. So you should feel off balance. Find something that you can elevate your feet on, and when you squat down, it forces you to sit back rather than having to drive your knees forward, because if you drive forward, you'll fall off. But if my heels are elevated and I sink into my hips, now I have to sit back and I got a firm base, and I'm not going forward and I'm not coming off. So find a surface that you can elevate your feet on that will help you stop coming up on your toes, or spread your legs out some more, sink your hips, and then you can drop down to a deeper squat. Thanks for watching.